हार्दिक पांड्या क्रेजी यार, अभी 2 मैच 3 मैच में हम लोगों ने देखा फील्डिंग ने कैसे चेंज किया है गेम्स, नहीं? केएल राहुल भी, और आज आज ये भी, फिर उसके बाद मतलब कैचिंग कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, पहले मैचेस में कितने कैचेस छूटे, एंड इवेंचुअली कैसे धीरे धीरे दे गेटिंग बेटर विद फील्डिंग आल्सो भी, एक्सेप्ट फॉर आज बेचारा विजय शंकर फाइनली कुछ खेला एंड फाइनली बेचारा कुछ खेला, एंड देन ही मिस द मोस्ट। कितने रन से हारे हैं ये लोग? ओह
13,
they lost by 13 runs, and
13
Mr. Shankar
Pollard.
missed that catch, and he went on to hit 2 sixes in the last ball.
2 6 एंड के 2 6 बहुत भारी पड़े हैं।
या हम लोग बात भी कर रहे थे विघ्नेश, क्यों
शशांक यार, क्या मतलब बेचारे ने इतना सब कुछ किया, लेकिन फिर भी तुझे कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढ के जरूर निकाला तूने शंकर के बारे में। मतलब
मुझे लगा आज
2 विकेट
शंकर जी ने अपनी तीसरी आंख खोली दी, आज डिस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे शंकर जी, पर कुछ हो नहीं पाया शंकर जी से। ये इंसानी शंकर जी है ना, इनसे कुछ हो नहीं पाया।
That is the difference यार। आज शंकर का दिन था and the maximum he could do was this
to lose the maximum. I think हाँ exactly, I mean this is Shankar's, तो मेरे को ये डर है कि अभी वो T20 वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड में ना आ जाए इसके चक्कर में। हार्दिक बॉलिंग नहीं करा रहा है, इनको एक्सक्यूज भी मिल जाएगा ना भाई, हार्दिक बॉलिंग नहीं करा रहा है, कोई बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर चाहिए, इंडिया में है।
अभी वो सेलेक्टर्स चेंज हो गया ना, थैंकफुली वो नहीं आएगा।
हाँ यार, आई होपफुली नहीं आएगा यार, बट crazy. So yeah, guys, welcome back to the Sports Republic. Another win for Mumbai Indians, and proving again why they are the best franchise in this league. All condition, team, और जैसी भी सिचुएशन हो, कम runs on the board, अगर आखिरी में 2-3 छक्के मारने हैं तो they have those 2-3 players in the end, just to use the long handle and just to take that total a little bit further to put pressure on the chasing side. और चेन्नई में हमको पता ही है यार, as soon as you win the toss, you bat first. आज बट लग रहा था स्टार्टिंग में तेरा ड्यू का सीन है, सनराइजर्स की इनिंग्स के स्टार्टिंग में they were showing it also on the grass also कि ड्यू है, तो मुझे लगा maybe the situation is changing now for the chasing teams, but it's Chennai, and it's it's Chennai as we know how Chennai is. Just win the toss, bat first, the pitch will get slower and lower, and run making will get slower and slower eventually. Pehli innings, Mumbai scored 150 runs, loss of 5 wickets. Batting wise, Quinton, I think looked back in touch. Strike rate बहुत अच्छा नहीं था, 102 का, but I think it was more about giving them a platform. Or Rohit was going on from the other end. I think these two gave a start. Then again, the Chennai pitch, turned its ugly face. And वो ball पुरानी होती है तो यार, I think batting starts getting more difficult. Bowling में Rashid again controlled things. I think Mumbai Indians controlled Rashid very well. Got finished his 4 overs, giving him 22 runs. Bowling wise, Vijay Shankar is shown today, knows this pitch inside out. Guys, first innings, anything you guys want to say about that? How that went?
First inning, I think it's probably me as well that I'm just expecting a lot from Mumbai Indians, but I'm still waiting for that magical innings from Mumbai Indians, and surprisingly Surya Kumar didn't play. That is kind of a surprise right now. And these 2 victories against one against KKR and one against the Sunrisers Hyderabad. So I think these 2 will be very crucial for them, because since they're not playing any matches in Mumbai, and Chennai being not their forte kind of pitch, still they managed to take 2 victories out of 3. I mean, it was tough for them as well. Great comeback while playing against KKR, and today as well. एक मतलब ये जो विक्ट्रीज है काफी हेल्प करेगी उनको, क्योंकि ये वाले सीजन में मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा इक्वल ग्राउंड्स पर सब लोग खेल रहे हैं, सब लोग अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जा रहे हैं, और
इक्वल लेवल पे हो रहा है टूर्नामेंट इन द सेंस, क्योंकि फिर हाँ थोड़ा सा प्लेइंग फील्ड लेवल हो गई है अभी. और जस्ट अबाउट द फर्स्ट इनिंग्स, कुछ एनीथिंग यू वांट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ point out पहले innings में what changed the first innings या क्यों I think they could not score more runs or was 150 I think enough?
Yeah. So Mumbai Indians की बैटिंग देख के मुझे लगा कि they are targeting 150. Clearly remember 18th over या 19th over के start में भी Pollard was just looking for singles. He was taking a score close to 140 kind of a thing. जहाँ से last के 2-3 ball पे if they could stretch it to 150, so they were targeting 150 is what I felt. And मुझे वही बहुत खतरनाक लगा. अगर Mumbai have fixed something, then मतलब they have a plan for that. So 150 for me once they hit that score. So it was MI all the way.
They were confident of
SRH
defending it. उनको पता था क्यों
Right.
कि उनको पता है क्यों if they get the top two, then they can
Correct.
run through the batting order. I
Correct.
think that was the thought process कि just
Correct.
put up a decent score, 150 at least, and of course, the legend that is Pollard helped them get to 150, and the legend that is Shankar also got them to 150. But yeah, I think that was the thought process.
Bowie was disappointing there. Anyone echoes that thought? 4
Today?
overs. Yeah,
Yeah.
today and all 3 games till now, Bowie carrying the good form which he did with England seems to be a totally different bowler here.
थोड़ा सा यार luck missing लग रहा है मुझे आज भी because Rohit Sharma drove a couple of times against him, got the inside edge and just missed the stumps. मतलब कि थोड़ा सा it's just needs a little bit of luck also, but I don't think he was that bad in the last game. This game I think he got tonked around a little. Last में Pollard ने मारा उसको. Starting में भी I think he got hit by I think Quinton.
Quinton, start होते ही पहले ही बॉल पे मारा.
Yeah, Quinton ne mara and then Rohit also, short jabbed him 1 for 6. I think it was in the first, second, third over something. I think Sunrisers, we all think कि ऐसी टीम है जो मुंबई इंडियंस को हरा सकती है क्यों? क्योंकि just कि एक single player जैसे for example बेस्टो अगर 2-3 ओवर आज और खेल जाता तो he would have taken the game away. या वार्नर अगर 1-2, I think that's what Sunrisers also falling short of right now. एक player जो ले जाए and they're really missing Kane, man. They made 4 changes today. I mean,
Right.
Sunrisers, we don't associate that with Sunrisers, नहीं? कि making 4 changes, generally assume कि खलील की bowling कैसी लगी यार?
Actually, it was like I mentioned before as well. कि यार अच्छा, he's a good option. They dropped Nattu today, right?
Yeah.
And brought Khalil, and that was a big chance. And I think Khalil did really well.
Khalil?
Khalil was very apt bowler. ऐसे वाले wicket पे pace निकाल के kind of a bowler, and there were not many hopes riding on him, so that helps Khalil as well. Earlier seasons में maybe they were looking at him as a wicket taker, but today I didn't think कि यार इसके ऊपर मतलब pressure है. And likewise he delivered well. That maybe he was quite decent. He was bowling to Pollard and Hardik Pandya. He did his job fairly well.
Yeah, he was getting good carry of the wicket as well. Bounce भी अच्छा मिल रहा था उसको. There was no movement, for anyone, not even for Bhuvneshwar on this wicket. There's just no movement. तो वो expect नहीं कर सकते थे हम खलील से आज. But I think I have to see that because I've seen him coming back really strong today. Action was good, speed was good. I think he was touching 140s. Was getting good bounce off the wicket as well. I think wearing the pace well as well, bowling in the right channels, areas. Difficult to hit today, Khalil.
True.
I think I think I was really impressed by his performance. ऐसे हम सनराइज के एसोसिएट करते हैं. I mean, it's actually right. I'm just seeing a stat over here. This is win percentage against Mumbai Indians in the IPL. कौन सी टीम्स का कितना है? So Sunrisers and Rajasthan Royals surprisingly are 50-50.
Right. आज के मैच के पहले 8-8 था ना Sunrisers और MI.
Yeah, 8-8 था. Yeah. Head to head was, so it's 50-50. So Sunrisers had 150. Now only Rajasthan now sort of have that record. They're 50%. So I mean, it's amazing. And Mumbai ke against, nobody has won more than 50% of their games. I mean, it just shows how dominant they are. Yeah. एक और है आज, रोहित शर्मा got his 4,000th run in the IPL as a captain. Sorry,
as a captain,
4,000 T20 runs as captain. Rohit completed today. Most sixes in the IPL. Rohit reached 217. Sorry.
Number 3 है ना अभी रोहित आई.
Yeah, he's number 3. He crossed Dhoni today. Dhoni के 216 थे. ABD is ahead of him at 237, and Gale is like on another planet. अभी कुछ
350 के ऊपर है ना
कोई
उसका?
नहीं ब्लेम कर पाएगा यार. हाँ 351 है उसके यार. कौन ब्रेक करेगा यार ये गेल का रिकॉर्ड?
गेल जाने के 3-4 नहीं यार, गेल जाने के 3-4 आईपीएल बाद इन लोगों को खेलना पड़ेगा, लाइक रोहित शर्मा और एबी डिविलियर्स को खेलना पड़ेगा.
पंत मुझे लगता है यार 10
फिर भी
सीजन
यार.
जो खेल सकते हैं शायद, है ना?
Yeah, just again still Rohit is 217.
रोहित
is
नहीं यार, रोहित विलियर्स
ABD is 237 and he is 351. तो मतलब it's 114 sixes का गैप है भाई उसमें. मतलब I don't think anybody is gonna.
146 is too much.
Nobody's gonna break
भाई
that
साहब ने
record. Nobody's
भाई साहब ने
doing
2100 रन छक्के में ही बना दिए हैं. इमेजिन.
2100 run
मैं
only in
भागूंगा
sixes. ये क्या
भागूंगा
बोलते हैं
नहीं.
आरसीबी या मुंबई इंडियंस आंद्रे रसल को ड्राफ्ट कर ले अगर चांस मिलता है. वैसे आई डोंट थिंक केकेआर विल रिलीज हिम. तो मे बी चिन्नस्वामी या वानखेड़े में वो खेलेगा तो फिर आई थिंक कुछ चांस बन सकता है टू ब्रेक दिस रिकॉर्ड. बट
यार आप लोग को ये नहीं लग रहा कि ट्रेंट बोल्ट एज अ डेथ बॉलर हैज इंप्रूव्ड बाय लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स? पिछले 2 मैचेस में
but I think Vignesh in the second last over the kind of bowling Bumrah does, so I think that helps you a lot. Bumrah gives you what 15-16 runs and a caliber of someone like Trent Bolt, even if he's not a like specialist death bowler like the others, but still you expect this from someone like Trent Bolt's caliber.
बट
So
हाँ
I think
एग्जैक्टली वो भी
we'll
है. एंड
see.
देन व्हेन यू सी अगर
Yeah.
कि वो अच्छे कैलिबर ऑफ बैट्समैन के सामने ऐसा डिफेंड करे, यॉर्कर्स डाले, रन रोके.
Hmm.
अभी व्हेन यू
Right.
रनिंग थ्रू द लोअर मिड ऑर्डर एंड द टेल एंड तो फिर you cannot really judge. But yeah, of course you can only ball in what is in front of you, and of course he's doing a
Yeah.
good job. I mean
So
Trent Bolt
ABD
यार उसको तो ट्रस्ट कर ही सकते हो आप at least with
Yeah,
the tail
exactly.
end.
So ABD remains the only batsman to have played well in the death overs at Chennai.
Yeah, till now I think
Till
I
now.
think
Till now.
I think वही पहले
Yes.
गेम का I think it was the first game luck. I think RCB के साथ था
और
वो.
वो बंदा 3 साल पहले इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट से रिटायर हो गया है. इमेजिन.
I think
And that is
Mark
so stupid
Boucher,
of South Africa, yeah.
the Mark Boucher, the South African coach, has said ki the doors are open for AB de Villiers for T20 World Cup. Just get him, man. I mean, I don't
Other
mind
issues
if
that
we.
as well.
I mean, I just don't get it.
No, I think there are some other
Come on,
issues
yeah.
as well. I think over there,
Probably.
it's not as simple as that. I think वो
Correct.
ABD comes
Let's
back. Do you
talk
think?
about let's talk about the second innings of SRH.
I was just waiting for Johnny Bairstow का dismissal, and मुझे पता नहीं क्यों I felt कि it is inevitable. Once Bairstow gets out post power play, SRH मतलब they lack belief to chase down any total. तो मुझे in hindsight मतलब it may sound very wise, but I somehow knew कि this was waiting to happen. I don't think they had the belief they can chase it
I
down.
didn't think so, यार. I honestly thought कि the way आज तो ले जाएंगे. I think कि last game में भी they did the same thing. I thought कि यार come on now won't. They've seen KKR do it again. They've seen. I mean, it has happened to them, and it's happened to some other teams also. Chennai में हम देख रहे हैं how it's going to fare in the second innings. I thought यार आज तो. But I didn't see Manish Pandey कैसे out हुआ यार. I was actually busy.
Manish Pandey actually just took all the criticism to his heart, and he just tried to smack the ball after like 6 ball. It was like 6. What's the stat? 6 ball, 7 ball 2, right?
7 ball 2, yeah.
उसने उतने छोटे में मनीष पांडे वाला काम कर ही दिया. 7 बॉल पे 2 बनाया उसने. भाई
साहब. उसको एक्चुअली वही तोड़ना था उसको.
नहीं, वो निकल के मार रहा था क्या जब आउट हुआ है, इसलिए आउट हुआ वो.
Yeah. He tried to get.
Then again, I'm seeing the scoreboard over here. When he came to bat, the score was 67 for 1. And then when he went, it was 71 for 2. So मारने की जरूरत भी नहीं थी उस टाइम पे. I think
more than Manish Pandey or anything, I think it's time that we need to call out David Warner here. The kind of innings he played today and the way he got out was I'll say pathetic.
Run out
because
hai,
you know it's
run
on.
out, runouts can happen.
It's
na?
on. No. That was no, the run out can happen, but that's your job as well, no? And as a batsman,
No,
that
true, I
was
mean, I
the
understand.
it was
अभी
like
फिर
it was like
बेस्टो को भी ब्लेम कर
yesterday's
सकते हो कि हिट विकेट हो
no
गया,
no
ये क्या तरीका
yesterday's
आउट होने का?
no yesterday's KL Rahul was like very small margin, and David Warner's was like big, and David Warner started running, no, walking to the pavilion once he got, and
Oh,
it
that
was
is,
not
yeah.
the first time. That was not the first time. If you watch the match, I mean there were 2-3 incidents जहां पर डेविड वार्नर आसानी से रन आउट हो सकता था.
तेरे को ऐसा
मतलब
लगा
जिस
कि
तरह
वो
से out
लास्ट
था.
में आई थिंक ही इज नॉट आल्सो स्ट्रेचिंग इट टू रन आउट के आई थिंक ही कुड हैव डाइव्ड आल्सो उसको आई थिंक ग्रॉइन इश्यूज थे बिफोर द आईपीएल maybe I think that's playing a part, a little bit of a part.
He could have dived, but I think he was casual that there won't be a throw, like it won't be
I
a
think
hit.
हाँ अभी वो है I think midway he
Because,
realized कि अब या तो
कॉर्नर अपने टेम्पो नहीं पकड़ा यार, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
टेम्पो नहीं पकड़ा है आज. वो आज एक सिक्स
Which is
मारने के
difficult,
पहले तो
yeah.
बहुत कम yeah, but if you have someone like no sorry what I'm saying is अगर तुमको बेस्टो ने इतना अच्छा सेट करके दिया है, बेस्टो वाज प्लेइंग
नहीं जाना चाहिए था फिर.
अगर
No, I
बेस्टो
agree.
हाँ तो
I agree.
तो
कि
फिर
he is not
आपको
only
वो
the
चलाना
opening
चाहिए
batsman, he is
game.
the captain of the team also. तो उस हिसाब
He's the
से
captain of the team.
you know deny that single या whatever. नहीं,
Agree
exactly यार.
with the
And
changes SRH made. Agree with the changes.
भाई
मेरे को बहुत weird लगा है.
साहा को हटा के उसको लाना तो I agree. Johnny Bairstow को, you were speaking about that yesterday also.
Right.
कि we used to they need to use the starting overs when the ball is good,
Correct.
it's coming onto the bat, or
And that
field
they
is
did.
in, and they did that, and it
Hmm.
paid off also. I mean, we were right. Johnny Bairstow was in
Yeah.
terrific form. बाकी अब क्या
मुझीब को खिलाना मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ा यार.
हाँ,
मुझीब को ये जगह
Yeah.
वापस
didn't look-
अब
So
आपका
he
अगर
did
बैटिंग
to take
प्रॉब्लम
2
है.
wickets, but yeah.
तेरे को लग नहीं रहा है मुजीब was
Batting
that
आपका
mystery
problem है,
spinner
right?
that's basically been found out now.
Yeah. And
Again-
मुझे ऐसे लगा कि once they lost the toss and they had to field first, so the
Yeah.
whole trick of playing 2 Afghan spinners वहीं पे मतलब it became the run doing.
वो gamble था
No
थोड़ा
matter-
सा. Yeah.
2 या 3 विकेट वो बीच में ले ले, but उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. तो
Yeah, and
that I
wasting. I mean,
makes-
मुजीब की जगह अभी तो उसको भी खिला सकता था easily होल्डर को.
Nabi.
बैटिंग भी नीचे मिलती है.
खिला था. हाँ.
Yeah.
बैटिंग
No, if
बैटिंग
you
भी
just
मिलेगी
wanted
आपको.
to play a spinner, you could have gone with Mohammad
Yeah,
Nabi
yeah.
instead.
भाई
Yeah.
मतलब यार
अगर आपको
how
एक
are we
off
talking
pitch
SRH का सीन क्या हो गया यार? I mean, how are they not? I think they were supposed to be the most efficient franchise, you know. और हमेशा लगता था कि जो मनी बॉल का कॉन्सेप्ट है यही लोग यूज करते हैं. I mean, they make कि efficient players
Maximum.
लेते हैं that suit their sort of position. अभी they're not able to find that that combination. For sure. Yeah. यार मुंबई इंडियंस भी बट यार you've got to praise them यार. हाँ, बैटिंग से अगर नहीं जिताएंगे तो बॉलिंग से जिताएंगे, बॉलिंग भी नहीं होगी तो फील्डिंग से जिताएंगे. It's just an all around team which is just they will suffocate you until you have to stand up to them. ऐसे नहीं हारेंगे वो. And Rohit Sharma also, when push comes to shove, उसका दिमाग बहुत तेज चलता है यार. They are the team to beat, and on a day also कि एक दिन भी हरा दिया उनको तो they will have a second opportunity.
No,
And-
I think Mumbai. What you are talking about Mumbai? I think वो जो उनका strong hold था ना, Pandya and Pollard, and also you're not expecting you can't expect from Ishan Kishan every day. So again, अगर वो वाला थोड़ा सा अगर वो जल्दी से सॉर्ट नहीं होता है इन लोगों का मुंबई इंडियंस का, so Mumbai Indians, what I'm saying is Mumbai Indians is not the exact team which they left off in the
No,
last
I am just saying कि वो
100%
they have
agree.
something to win the game. मैं अभी भी यही बोल रहा हूँ
yeah
कि
they definitely have.
they have
Obviously,
everything. They have
will
the
always be in
passion.
the game.
Yeah, they'll have the passion to win the game. They're the best team on the field amongst everybody. They have the best bowling line. They're the best death bowler of in the world. Rahul Chahar is coming again. What a bowling performance again today. Suited him. I mean, see again Rohit Sharma using him at the right time. Bringing him after over number 10. It's not like even Warner. आज Rashid को जल्दी ले आया वो. When Rashid needed to come was to stop Pollard. Maybe that's what I think. But Rashid को आज जल्दी लाया. Players had time to play him off. I'm just saying, just these small pieces of captaincy which change the match.
But
yeah,
I agree with Vikas. In the long run, 11 match bache hain, and I only see Surya Kumar Yadav being in form as compared to the other 6 in the top 7. Mumbai might just find it difficult if other teams pull their socks up. It won't be as easy for them as it was last year. Last year, तो head and shoulders वो मतलब
Yeah.
अलग level पे
yeah, it
खेल
won't
रहे
be
थे
that
सारे।
easy.
Yeah,
True. I
it's
also agree
actually,
with that. Yeah.
Vignesh, it's actually the comparison with themselves. That's the that's the thing is here. I mean,
Exactly. That's the
otherwise-
point.
Yeah.
It's
That's the
the,
point.
Chicago Bulls team three-peat going for the three-peat. It's this last dance of theirs now. So I'm just saying they will not, ऐसा नहीं है कि they will not be motivated to win. भाई आज देखा हम लोगों ने, they'll be mad to win again. Yeah, another
Right.
great game, close game. Sunrisers Hyderabad screwing up
Yeah, we
again.
barely talked about it though.
Yeah. And Mumbai Indians again winning in the 9th game of this IPL season. Yeah, Mumbai 2 games won. They won now. Sunrisers 3 games they've lost now. Let's see how it goes now. Yeah. Thanks for joining us, guys.
Thank you.